Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best press-on nails is probably one of the most exciting trends in kids' fashion right now. These easy-to-apply nail enhancements offer a fantastic way for children to explore their creativity and express their unique style. With a wide array of colors, designs, and lengths available, press-on nails provide a fun and safe alternative to traditional nail polish, allowing kids to experiment with different looks without any hassle. Number 5. SIUSIO Kids Press-On Nails, Multicolor Gradient. Introducing the SIUSIO Kids Press-On Nails, designed for little girls, teens, and women with small hands. These pre-glued nails make it easy to get a beautiful manicure without any hassle. These nails are incredibly easy to apply. You don't need any gel or nail polish. Simply press them on and you're ready to go. Made from high-quality ABS material, these nails are safe and durable. They are non-toxic, odorless, and won't harm your nails or body. These acrylic nail tips are perfect for both professionals and beginners. They're great for nail salons or DIY nail art at home. It's a wonderful gift for any occasion. Each set includes 120 pieces in 12 different sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for every finger. You can easily find the right size for each nail. We are committed to quality. If you have any questions or issues, please contact us, and we will respond within 24 hours. You can also reach out to Amazon customer service for assistance. What we like. This set is pre-glued, making application a breeze for busy parents and excited kids. The nails are made of durable, high-quality material, ensuring they last through all of your little one's adventures. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to add some sparkle to your child's look, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The nails are already sticky, no removal of a film to use them. The confetti nails are perfect and she loves all of the designs, not so overly cutesy. They were the perfect size for her. Number 4. Kids Press-On Nails, 120 pieces, lovely patterns. Get ready for a whole lot of nail art fun. This pack comes with 120 pieces of press-on nails, enough for multiple uses. It's perfect for girls who love to express themselves with adorable nail designs. With 5 different lovely themes, including rainbows and mermaids, these nails can match any outfit. They are easy to apply and allow you to create a new look every day, making them happy. Applying these nails is a breeze. The press-on style makes it super easy to get a perfect manicure in minutes. Just choose the right size and stick them on, it's that simple. Made from safe ABS plastic, these nails are lightweight and gentle on the skin. They are designed specifically for children and won't cause any harm. The vibrant colors will last a long time. Each box includes 12 different sizes to fit most kids' fingernails. There's a perfect fit for every girl. Use these beautiful fake nails to make your girl's nails stand out. What we like. With a variety of adorable themes, these nails let your child express their unique style. They are incredibly easy to apply, saving you time and effort. If your child loves to change up their look, this set offers endless possibilities for fun and creativity. What people say. The nails are great for children. The quality was just fine. There were enough sizes so that it would fit pre-teens as well. Number 3. Maitys Kids Press-On Nails, Pink Flower. Introducing the Maitys Kids Press-On Nails. This set features charming designs like pink flowers and hearts. They are perfect for creating dreamy nails. Each set includes 24 nails in various sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for every child's finger. It's a wonderful gift for any occasion. These press-on nails are pre-glued, making them super easy to apply. Simply choose the right size and press them onto the nails. It only takes a few minutes to get a charming look. Made from high-quality ABS material, these nails are designed with kids in mind. They are durable, breathable, and non-toxic, ensuring they won't harm the nails or body. These full-cover nail tips are great for nail salons or DIY nail art at home. They're ideal for weddings, parties, or any special event. It's a fun way to express yourself. What we like. Featuring a range of cute patterns, these nails add a touch of fun to any occasion. The pre-glued design makes them super easy to apply, perfect for little hands. If you're looking for a gift that's both fun and safe, this set is a perfect choice. What people say. These were affordable and cute designs. She loves them. They are easy to apply and age appropriate for her. Love all the cute designs. Number 2. Kalolary Kids Press-On Nails, 6 packs. These delightful nail sets are perfect for kids. Each order includes 6 boxes, each with 24 nails in various sizes. It's easy to find the perfect fit for every finger. Forget the mess. These fake nails come pre-glued, making application a breeze. No need for extra polish, just stick them on and go. It's simple and fun. Made from high-quality materials, these nails are safe and flexible. They're designed to be durable and won't easily break. The bright colors and clear lines make them look fantastic. These nails are great for kids, girls, or anyone with smaller hands. They're ideal for nail salons or DIY nail art at home. The cute patterns are perfect for any occasion. We are committed to providing excellent products and service. If you have any issues, please contact us. We'll do our best to help you with the product. What we like. These nails come pre-glued, saving you time and effort during application. The high-quality materials ensure they look great and last. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to add some sparkle to your child's look, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. These nails fit small nail beds and were prepped with the glue so no peeling off stickers. These are pre-glued and honestly they stick pretty well. Lots of great designs for the target consumer. Number 1. Kids Fake Nails Kit, 144 pieces, full cover. Introducing a fantastic set of fake nails designed just for kids. This kit includes a whopping 144 pieces, offering plenty of options for creative nail art. They come in various sizes and vibrant colors. Each set features cute cartoon designs in bright colors that kids will adore. These nails incorporate elements that girls love, allowing for endless combinations and fun designs. These fake nails are pre-glued, making application super easy. Simply choose the right size and design, then press them onto the natural nails. Kids can have beautiful nail art in minutes. With 12 different sizes in each box, these nails fit most kids' fingernails. This ensures a perfect fit for various ages, allowing for beautiful and dreamy nail art creations. These press-on nails are made from non-toxic, high-quality ABS plastic, safe for children's nails and skin. They are durable and reusable, perfect for parties, sleepovers, or everyday fun. What we like. The pre-glued design makes application super easy, perfect for little hands. With a variety of cute patterns, it adds a touch of fun to any occasion. If your child loves to express themselves creatively, this set is a perfect choice. What people say. They're super cute. My daughter loves all of the nail options. She was able to apply them all on her own. She's only 7 and it was easy for her to put them on herself. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.